I like these curls though. Very soft. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia Nicole, and I am getting back into hair today. Now I am gonna go ahead and wash it, and I'm thinking I might do a little finger coil. Haven't done that in a while since my hair has grown. But today I'm going to be using a lot of products I've used before that you're familiar with, mostly my Natural Club products. So the cleansing avocado shampoo, the nourishing avocado leave-in conditioner, and then this product, which I actually haven't used in a while, the dry hair solution deep conditioner. So those are not really new to you guys. You guys know kind of what I do with those, but what is new is this bad boy. I just know that aloe vera is a huge source of moisture and nutrients. So I am going to be using the gel straight from the leaf. Okay, so you're definitely gonna want some kind of container to put the gel in. I have like these little cups here that I use for different things. Yeah, you guys are going to need a knife, and you're gonna want a spoon. Okay, so I really don't need a whole lot of gel, and this is like a pretty juicy one, so I think I'm just gonna cut this segment here. I hope it's enough. I don't know, let's see. And I mean, it cuts pretty easily, so see all that good stuff in there? That is what we want. So this whole like piece here, I don't even need right now. I don't think. I'm gonna put that to the side. And now we're gonna work with this one, okay? So I am going to cut off the edges. I basically want to get it open, and you want to cut as close to the edge as possible to maintain as much of the flesh as you possibly can. You like want to have all of that available to you. So now I'm going to just cut off kind of one of these, I don't know, flat edges, I guess. So I'm literally just going to use a spoon to just kind of start scraping at it and getting the gel out. Okay, so this is where we are. I actually did not even get it all. I got a lot of it, but there's still so much left. But I think I have enough. So this is the consistency. Very jelly. And that looks great. I literally love it because that is going to help keep those curls in place. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hair and then I will be right back after. So in this portion of the video, I'm just going to be walking you guys through what I did immediately after washing my hair. So the first thing that I did was I used this Natural Club Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Serum, and I applied this directly to my roots and I massaged it in for a few seconds. And then I was ready to go ahead and section my hair off so that I could apply the deep conditioner. And I wasn't being very careful or too particular with this. Just trying to get my hair into smaller sections so I could really pay attention to each part and give it as much product as it needed. So the first thing that I did was I applied water to the section so that it would make it easy to detangle. And then I went ahead and applied my deep conditioner. I used the Natural Club Dry Hair Solution. And this is honestly my holy grail because before using this product, I had dry hair, like extraordinarily dry hair, where it literally felt like hay. And I couldn't actually wear my hair down or in wash and goes, or even twist outs and braid outs because it would get so stiff because of how dry it was. And so this product is really what changed all of that for me. And so after I apply the product, I then do a 3-strand twist, and I make sure that I can see some of the residual product kind of oozing out of the twist when I'm doing it, and that's kind of how I know that I have enough. But these little packets are, they're pretty deceiving because they don't look like they hold much, but at least for me, after my whole head is twisted up, I usually have some left over, and so I'll just use that and apply it directly to the back and the driest portion of my hair. So after I have my whole head twisted up, I'm just going to sit under my heating cap for between 35 and 45 minutes. And then I'm just going to rinse out that deep conditioner. And then I'm going to be ready to start styling my hair. Okay, so my hair has definitely dried out a little bit. But I'm just going to spray it to re-wet it because I really like applying my products when my hair is pretty wet. I did something different this time, and that is that I applied my leave-in conditioner actually while I was still in the shower, rinsing out the deep conditioner. That was a recommendation that I saw by Pretty Witty 77, and she was saying that it just really helps to like maintain the moisture of your hair because some people's hair is so sensitive that after they get out of the shower and they hit that cooler air, their hair will already seal. So she was saying, you know, just try putting in the leave-in conditioner before your hair has, you know, come out the shower. So I did that, and we're gonna see if it makes a difference. So far my hair is a little bit more tame than it usually would be without having put any major products in it, so that may have made a difference. I don't know, but I'm just going to continue what I'm doing. In this bottle, I have my fresh blended straight from the leaf aloe vera, and then I have my bergamot here and the Natural Club flaxseed gel curl custard. So those are the only products that I'm going to be using, and I think what I'm gonna do is put the custard and the bergamot on large sections, and then when it comes to the individual finger coils, or just, I don't know if I'm going to finger coil it, but the individual strands, I'm going to use the aloe vera. Work with this section here. I'm going to start with my water. And remember, I want to get it nice and saturated. Okay, so now I'm going in with my curling custard, taking about that much. I'm just going to coat the entire section. And that's already getting my curls going. Then I'm going to follow that up with the bergamot, about that much. And then coat the entire section again. And already you can see the definition there. So now, excuse me, now I'm going to take some of my aloe vera, and this is the reason why I like blending it. There was a chunk that was stuck in the nozzle, and once it unlodged or dislodged it, you know, squirted out. But so I'm going to first just put the aloe vera all in there, and then I'm going to take a small section and just coil it around like that. Now remember guys, I have not done finger coils in a while, since like summer 2019, and we're going on summer 2020, so. But yeah, the last time I tried it, my hair was kind of short. It was way shorter than this. And so it just drew up so much that I just didn't love it. So this was honestly just pretty straightforward. I just continued with that section, doing the coils, and as I felt it getting a little bit dry, I would add a little bit more aloe vera or water just to make sure that the section was always soaking wet. And I continued that for all. Alright, so this is about 45 minutes later, which is not bad at all for a style that you're going to wear for a few days. It definitely is more time consuming than like a wash and go. I'm going to give this some time to dry, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished product. But for now, I guess, the light, just show you all what we have going on here. Alright guys, so here we are the next day. I have to say that my hair still is kind of a weird shape, but that's just my hair. Like, in general, my hair is not a great shape, so it usually takes time for it to kind of settle into a shape that frames my face, you know, really well. So I'm not too concerned about that. And even though it's a little flat right now, believe me, it will fluff up in the next few days. So I'm fine with it being flatter right now if it means that overall the style will last a little bit longer. But as far as the actual finger coils themselves, I am definitely really happy and really satisfied with how this turned out. Like I told you, my hair had a little bit of crunch like earlier this morning, but now it's like, it's just crunchy enough that the curls are very defined, but they're definitely still very soft. So I like it. I'm gonna kind of just keep fluffing it up a little bit. Not gonna do too much to it though, because like I said, it will do its own thing. So I'm definitely satisfied with that. If there are more looks you guys would like to see or different things you'd like me to try, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'd be more than happy to do that for you guys. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys next time.